This is December 20. Tomorrow I will take a part in a very small pop-up shop in design studio. We're trying very hard to just promote this all stuff. Yes, it's not easy. You never know, there will be people or not, and I will prepare some small leather items which I have actually already cutted out. Also, I found already made basket with this drawing. It's in my shelves for a long time, I believe somewhere 3 years, and maybe someone will buy it because I will sell this for a ridiculous small price, like €5. Just I will be happy to find a place for these items. First I will glue all cutted out already stuff. But before that, how you see, I try to clean and organize everything. How always, it's a mess. It's never ending story. Also, I got order for my linen. Let's open it. So 2 more orders from linen I need to make. Wow. Amazing linen. And I have a yarn. So December passed super fast. I'm like a poet. I had a plan for one sweater, but I think I will use the same yarn from different design. I will not speak about it yet because I haven't chosen it. So, and as a festival or Christmassy sweater, I'm knitting festival sweater, but I'm now in a rush, therefore I'm knitting another stuff till the tomorrow, and tomorrow I will start one Christmas gift. And during this pop-up all process I will knit it. I think I will have a time, therefore I never cut with this scissors, plastic paper or other stuff, only fabric. But yesterday I dropped them. I was really hoping that they are okay. This yarn I ordered at first just because I was thinking I will use it for that sweater, but gauge is too, this yarn is too thick. But I have another project in my mind which I want to knit together with my knitting friends. Candies. I love candies. It will be a hood. It will be hood, but there is a new pattern for petite knit, but there is another pattern which I also like, and that pattern requires less yardage of yarn. I will use this color. Actually, I really don't know. Will this fit me? Will this color fit me as a hat, hoodie? Because I have rosarica. I have already very red face, but we'll see. And for that project which I mentioned before, that I want to knit sweater, but I'm thinking about another type of design, I ordered this yarn. Oh my god, this is more beautiful color. This is more like deep red. Here we have more orange. This color actually suits me much better than this one. You see, there is difference. And this dark, really nice. And I first time ever, oh wow, it's a real wool. I ordered this Lithuanian wool Texrena industrial wool yarn spinning. So you can buy the same wool in coins or in this shape. And this is a brand, and it's pure wool yarn, 100%. In 100 grams there is 350 meters. So, and maybe there is a number of colors, 17, or I don't know which of this number is for color, but it's very woolly. And I will mix this with brushed alpaca yarn. I have it already, and I have actually other yarn too, very woolly. It's 50% sheep wool with dog wool. Oh my god, this is a perfect match. I'm very happy for this. I think they have many wonderful colors, but it's a Latvian shop. Come on, show please. It's a Latvian shop, dzies.lv, dzies.lv. But it's amazing. It's amazing wool. There is so many colors, like a lot. You can choose whatever your heart wants. Yes, I'm happy for this order. I like candies very much. A lot. I will put away my yarn to save place, and now I will glue this babies. For bunnies I need to cut out also ears detail, and after all I need to cut out some silver and some gold covers, and also I want to make one pencil case in brown color. Also I need to cut out, but before that I want to eat because I feel very dizzy right now, and then I will work. I really hope to sell. I will offering very small price for this all, which usually you can't get in my Etsy shop or in my website. Wow, I'm so excited and worried. I will show you later what I will have done. Hi, I'm losing my voice. It's 5 minutes past 9 in the evening, and I already made everything. Here I have a mini box with this toys. I think I will film another way. This is better, so you will see what I prepared. So this will go with me tomorrow. This wallet, and here I have some passport covers, and I made more, like silver one, many gold ones, silver one, burgundy. I didn't plan to make so many of them, but somehow I did it, so therefore I am here so late. And 3 passport covers too. I have this blue one, and then I have a bunch of keychains which actually was already cutted out. I made baskets. I think I will take two of them because this doesn't look very good. I made two wallets like this from cow leather. It was very painful for my hands, and I will take these baskets too. I made two like bags, which isn't finished yet. I will finish this tomorrow. I just need to cut out the straps, and it's fold over like this with the straps. And yes, that's it actually. In the end, I organized everything in this box. So I'm taking keychains. There will be bags, but I need to finish them. I will do it tomorrow morning. It's not a big job. Here I have some leather baskets, packaging, and here I have a box with all stuff what I have. Then I took labels, this label and thread, and actually I forgot that I need my brand labels too. I think this will be enough. I don't have so many items. I hope this will be enough. I just don't want to print anything. I'm done for today. So yes, I feel really tired. I think you can see it by my eyes. There is a dark circles, and yes, I need to knit. I just actually don't feel very well. I want to make a tea, something again with my stomach. Let's take this with me in the same box. Okay, and this we will finish tomorrow, so it will be done like this. That's it. This was my December 20, and I hope tomorrow will be a very nice day. I'm really hoping that someone will came. I was going out of my box to promoting in many spaces, like showing my personality. Hey, this is Iveta Bauman in Facebook. Everyone see who's promoting. I try to be like I try to use my Instagram, but my not brand account, not either a knitting account. They both not so popular, so therefore I don't know did I reach my auditory. But also I have my private account. I can share. There will be only people who knows me. Not only, there is quite a lot of followers, which I even don't know till I put my account private. And yeah, and I will put this evening information about that too. And that's it. And I need to edit this video. Therefore, I'm telling you goodbye. I hope you had or will be amazing December 20. And let's meet you tomorrow. Bye.